Microsoft 365 Copilot has got up to a level of adoption, a level of maturity where it's now really supercharging what we do. What we really love about Microsoft Copilot is that it's built into all of the productivity tools that our colleagues already use, so that they can spend time doing the things that people are great at and focusing on customers. We started with just 300 users, we then rolled out to 1,000, and now we're rolling out to the whole user base.
We have one-on-one sessions with people. I'll give them a really simple prompt. They'll think, this task that used to take me 4 hours, I can maybe now do in an hour. The eureka moment for that was their colleague who sits next to them in that team. They're seeing that this person's saving all this time on these other tasks. So if they're using it really well, then great, now I can as well.
We've also used it to summarise complex legal information from our panel solicitors, being able to really get to the heart of the key issues in the claim, understand all the issues, draw up a strategy and really plan our way through the claims, hopefully for the best outcome for our customer. To other organisations, I would say embrace it, understand your own processes or where you're at now, and look at ways in which you can deploy that to become more efficient, save costs, time.
We're one of the first companies that have really embraced it and gone in business-wide and given everybody that opportunity. What I'd love to see is that buzz and that enthusiasm. I'd like to see that grow, and I'd like to see that go wider across the business.
At Hiscox we have a motto, a personal, effortless and specialist service. In terms of that proposition, Copilot can help with all three of those areas.